Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable the featured image in WordPress blocksy posts. Okay, so we have here one of our example blog posts, and we have the cover image, which is actually our featured image, but let's say we didn't have this enabled, or we really wanted our readers, viewers, to see the featured image as part of the post. So real simple, let's go on Customize, and open up the WordPress customizer. Okay, let's scroll down here under post types. Let's click on single post. And if you scroll down far enough, we'll see post elements, featured image. Let's toggle this on, and you'll see we now have our featured image. And it's the same one that we have on our cover photo over here. Now we can customize this a bit further. Let's go ahead and click on this arrow here. And we now have our general settings here. We have original image ratio, because when I uploaded this, it was a square. Okay, we can have a custom, you see, 1:1 ratio. We can have it 4/3, 2:1, 16:9, and we can customize this vertical or horizontal. You know, it really depends on if you're going to be on mobile or desktop. And we can also have a custom ratio, let's say 6:4.5, right? 645 image. And yeah, but I think 1:2 is okay, or 2:1. We can have it as a thumbnail size. We can have it a full image size, and so on and so forth. We can have it a medium. Okay. And then we can also have this as a video thumbnail, but let's not worry about that. And then we can enable or disable this further selectively on desktop and on mobile. So let's say on mobile, this took up too much real estate, we can disable this, and when we go into our mobile preview, it doesn't appear. See? But I'll just keep it enabled for this video. And what else can we do here? Under design, we can put the border radius. Let's link it up. Let's make it 25, just so you know that it is the featured image. Once we're happy with that, let's click on Publish to save the changes. Okay, with our changes saved, let's hit reload. And you can see we now have our featured image enabled on our WordPress blocksy post. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.